Hello and thanks for watching Best Maths Tutors. We're continuing to go through the Edexcel Higher Tier Paper 3 from 2019, and this is question 9. And we're going to continue going through all the questions. So if you'd like to watch them, click the subscribe button below and you won't miss any of them. So this is question 9, and what it is, it's a word problem. And we've got a situation where we've got a company with 6 machines, and we've got to work out how many days it's going to take to make all the boxes. So this is a machine which will make boxes, is what we've got here. So these word problems can be a little bit confusing because the questions can be very different. So it's we can't just learn how to do one question and then that would show us how to do all of them. Just got to get into the habit of reading the question very carefully. So as it says, the company makes boxes, and we've got these machines that will make the boxes, and also we know that each machine works at the same rate. So it says when all the machines are working, they can make all their boxes in 9 days. But this is actually a table that we've been given, which shows us how many machines are working on each day. So it could be the situation where you might have a factory that's just been opened, and on day 1 we've actually only got 3 of the machines. Day 2 we've got 4 of the machines. Day 3 we've got 5 of the machines, and then we're up to full strength. We've got 6 of the machines after that. So it says if all the machines were working, it would take us 9 days to make as many boxes as we required. So we can see we've got 6 when all the machines are working. So in fact, we could assume, let's say, that each machine could just make 1 box per day, if we looked at it like that. Then that would mean the total number of boxes required is going to be equal to 6 times 9. And that's going to be equal to 54. So we need to be able to make 54 boxes, because if we're saying that each machine can make 1 box a day, then that's how many we would need. So we haven't actually got 6 machines working all the time. So we've got to work out how long it would take to make 54 if in fact we've got 3 machines, 4 machines, 5 machines on the first 3 days. So if we added those first 3 days up, we could say, well, I've got 3 plus the 4 plus 5. So we could make 12 boxes in our first 3 days. So if we subtract that from the 54, so 54 minus the 12, then that will tell us how many more boxes we'd have to make after the first 3 days. So we can see we have 42 boxes remaining to make. But now we've got 6 machines working. So if we divide that 42 by 6, then what that will tell us is how many more days we will need to complete the remaining 42 boxes. So we could say, well, 42 divided by 6 is 7. So that's days. So we've got 7 days to make the remaining 42 boxes, and it took us 3 days to make the first 12. So the total number of days then that we're going to require is going to be 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3, and obviously that's going to make 10 days in total. 10 days, and that's it. So again, this is just a question really where we've got to read through it very carefully And I would recommend underlining the main points. So we can see we've got 6 machines. We're making all the boxes we need in 9 days, and they all work at the same rate. And also, I think a good tactic on these is to actually read the question first before reading the bulk of the text, because if we read this, work out total number of days taken to make all the boxes, if we read that first, then it means that the actual beginning part of the question makes sense to us. We know which bits we've got to understand. So that's a hint I'm giving there, which is to read the actual question part first before going through the main part of the text here. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. If it is, as I say, please subscribe to our channel, and also visit our website, which is bestmathstutors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.